Our work is a kit and process for diagnosis of hemorrhagic septicemia. This is particularly the veterinary field disease, hemorrhagic septicemia. It is very contagious disease that inflicts heavy economic losses due to death of young animals and cows. The buffaloes are more prone to disease, and the disease occurs in per-acute and acute conditions and kills the animal within brief illness. And there is a case fatality rate of around 100%. If this disease prevails in a farm, almost 100% mortality is there in those animals. So the expected annual economic loss due to this disease in India is around 12,600 crores per year. There is no such pan-site test till today that detect hemorrhagic septicemia early, easily, and on the spot. The present options to detect disease. The disease is either diagnosed by using conventional methods of bacteriology by isolation and identification of the bacteria, which is time-consuming procedure and require moderate laboratory facilities. Further, the procedure requires few days to complete, and by then the disease breaks out in the form of epidemic. Similarly, molecular methods are more accurate and may be performed even on samples of little poorer quality, but sophisticated laboratory facilities are required with highly skilled manpower. Therefore, high cost of diagnosis and precious time is lost in initiating the disease control procedures because such laboratories are often not accessible faster. So the solution is this our kit. This invention particularly provides a monoclonal antibody latex agglutination diagnostic kit. This kit is highly efficient, sensitive, and easy to use, and this kit can be used for on-the-spot or pan-site testing of animals suspected to have infected with Pasteurella multocida or hemorrhagic septicemia infections. TRL level of our technology is 7, and we recently got this patent in May 2023. So this is the whole process. We produced this monoclonal antibody, and by number of hit and trials for 3 years, we received one such monoclonal antibody which is against outer membrane protein of Pasteurella multocida bacteria. And then we produce ascites of that monoclonal antibody and coated over latex beads. So 10 microliter of blood is sufficient from HS infected blood. We mix it with 10 by 50 microliter of NSS, dilute, and add 10 microliter of Cotex latex beads, observed agglutination within 3 to 5 minutes. And we can perform this test on the spot, on animal side, on animal farm, wherever we suspect that there are cases of hemorrhagic septicemia are there. Regarding market potential, market demand for a pan-site test for hemorrhagic septicemia is the need of the hour. Outbreaks in various states were reported very frequently. But till the time we confirms the outbreak, heavy mortality in bovine took place. I already told that there is case fatality rate of around 100%. So all animal died when this disease comes. So this test gave on-the-spot confirmation of the disease, preparing us for preventative and therapeutic measures well in time. Target beneficiaries of our patent are all the farmers rearing animals, dairy farmers, military dairy farms, every individual that directly link to cattle and buffalo rearing. Regarding constraints, 3 to 6 months will require to reach this technology up to TRL level 7, and estimated cost around 10 to 15 lakhs, in which major cost is for equipments, that is like laminar flow, deep freezer, freeze, closed confinement for tissue culture to extend monoclonal antibody, and only 2 life science scientists well acquainted to tissue culture and monoclonal antibody production are sufficient to produce good amount of this monoclonal antibody. And we calculated the cost of single test, so around 3 to 5 rupees in the cost of 3 to 5 rupees, we can confirm this disease on the spot. Thank you, sir.